So I'm about to leave Madeira to go to London to meet with a client, and in this video I just want to bring with you and show you a bit about the journey in London. So here we go, last minute check-ins. And the funny thing is that I need to leave in 20 minutes, but I also need to reply to an urgent email. So of course everything that needs to happen fast is going to collide in the same moment. So I'm going to take care of that and then I'm going to leave the house. It's packed and I have this super small suitcase for traveling which has everything, and yeah, it's amazing. I'm here at probably the Starbucks with the best view. So espresso for me, and then I guess we got a pistachio frappuccino.
A bordo do seu voo exigente, para nos ajudar a...
Now on the road towards the hotel. So made the check-in and I promised my girlfriend to go to Harrods since it's the first day, no work, so that's what we're gonna do. And then we're going to meet with a friend. Esatto. This is... Good morning. So I haven't vlogged all day yesterday because I was working pretty much all day, and yeah, between one thing and another it's hard to keep up with this vlogging because you constantly have to remind yourself during the day of doing it, but I'll try my best to do more of it, so yeah, keep you in the loop. This is actually a first test video. I don't think I ever shot a vlog style video in this channel, so I'm actually curious to hear your thoughts about how this one went. I'm sure there's like tons of things that I could have been doing better, so any feedback is appreciated. Any things that you want to learn about when it comes to design, just let me know, guys. And yeah, let's start the day. So this is pretty much it for the vlog. I actually, in the last part, I completely forgot to record. So next one is going to be better. This again was a test. If you have any questions about design, how to get to work remotely from islands like Madeira, and find clients worldwide, just let me know in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next one.